Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of spirituality and the benefits of alligator pepper. This powerful spice, often used in traditional cooking methods, can bring about a myriad of positive effects on our overall well-being. First and foremost, let's talk about the impact of alligator pepper on mental health. It has a powerful anxiolytic and sedative effect, which can help calm nerves and promote relaxation. This makes it an excellent addition to sleep aids and stress relief remedies. Additionally, research has shown that alligator pepper can enhance memory and cognitive function, making it a valuable addition to brain-boosting supplements. Now, let's discuss the spiritual aspects of alligator pepper. This spice is often associated with the elements of fire and water, which are integral to many traditional spiritual practices. By incorporating alligator pepper into their culinary creations, individuals can connect with these elements and harness their spiritual power. One well-known benefit of alligator pepper is its ability to boost one's immune system. This spice contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help fight infection and promote overall health. By incorporating alligator pepper into their diet, individuals can experience improved physical and mental strength, as well as increased resistance to illness. Finally, let's touch on the idea of alligator pepper as a tool for meditation and spiritual growth. Its warm, earthy flavor can enhance the mind's ability to focus and meditate, while its sedative properties can help bring about a deeper state of relaxation and consciousness. In conclusion, alligator pepper is a powerful spice with a rich history and deep spiritual roots. By incorporating it into their culinary practices, individuals can experience numerous physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. So, the next time you're looking to elevate your cooking and spiritual journey, consider adding some alligator pepper to your recipe list. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe, like, share, and comment for more videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.